There is something magical about finding yourself unexpectedly close up to a wild deer. Not knowing how long the encounter will last, you are pushed into savouring the right now as something precious that has been specifically gifted to you in a fleeting, whispered kind of way. This was my feeling yesterday as I stood behind the water hut looking across the river. The doe and her fawn were blending perfectly into the bare brown of a fallen tree, only then breaking into view with the springing of their white puff tails. Or that morning last spring, when I looked up into the face of another young deer, barely a metre off to my right. Both of us were equally surprised as we caught each other's gaze.